Excuse me, can you help? I
Yes, what do you need?
am looking for trains.
You mean the train station?
Yes, the main train station.
It is not very far.
Can I walk there easily? Do
Yes, walk straight ahead now.
I turn left soon? And then
Go past the big bank.
turn left there?
No, turn right after bank.
Right after the big bank.
You will see the trains.
How many minutes walking there?
Maybe 10 minutes walking fast.
Should I buy a map?
No, it is very simple.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome, friend.
Is the neighborhood safe here?
Yes, it is very safe.
Have a really great day.
Have a safe train trip.
Goodbye. I will go now.
Take care and walk safely.
Hello, I am completely lost.
Where do you want go?
I need a local pharmacy.
Let me see your map.
Here is my paper map.
We are standing right here.
Where is the closest pharmacy?
It is on next street.
How do I get there?
Cross this busy road first.
Do I cross at lights?
Yes, wait for green light.
Then where do I walk?
Walk straight for 2 blocks.
2 blocks on that side?
It is next to bakery.
Is it a big building?
It has a big sign.
Thank you for map help.
Fold your paper map carefully.
I will put it away.
Buy your medicine quickly there.
I only have paper cash.
They accept cash payment there.
Have a very good day.
Good luck finding the place.
Excuse me, driver. Hello there.
Hello.
Step on the bus.
Does this go to museum?
Yes, it goes right there.
How much is one ticket?
It is $2 cash.
I only have paper money.
Put cash in the box.
Here is a $2 bill.
Thank you. Take your seat.
When do I get off?
Get off at 5th stop.
Is the 5th stop far?
About 15 minutes driving time.
Will you tell me when?
Yes, I will call out.
Where is the museum exactly?
Right across the bus stop.
That is very easy finding.
The museum is very big.
I want to see art.
You will like it there.
Please drive safely today, sir.
Hold on to the rail.
I will stand right here.
We are leaving right now.
Excuse me, sir. Hello there.
Hello. How can I help?
Where is the washroom?
It is on 2nd floor.
Where are the big stairs?
The stairs are behind you.
Do I go up there?
Go up the wide stairs.
Then which way do turn?
Turn right at the top.
Turn right after the stairs.
Walk down the long hall.
Is it at the end?
Yes, at the very end.
Are the doors marked clearly?
Look for the blue sign.
Thank you. I need it.
Walk fast. It is far.
I will walk very fast.
Do you need paper tissues?
No, I have some here.
Have a nice day today.
Thank you for clear directions.
It is no problem today.
I will go upstairs now.
Be careful on the steps.
Excuse me, I am lost.
Roll down your car window.
Where is the main highway?
You are going wrong way.
How do I turn around?
Make a circle around block.
Do I turn right here?
Turn right at next corner.
And then go completely straight?
Go straight for 3 miles.
Will I see the signs?
Yes, big green highway signs.
Is the traffic bad now?
Traffic is heavy right now.
I have a long drive.
Drive very safely out there.
Let me give you cash.
No, keep your paper money.
You are a good man.
I like to help people.
I will follow your directions.
Right turn, then straight ahead.
Thank you so much, friend.
Have a very safe trip.
I am rolling window up.
Goodbye and good luck driving.